So we just got through having a conversation with Chris Green, and I truly consider Chris to be one of the energy experts out there that knows a lot and has a lot of response background when it comes to all things energy. We touched on three basic topics. The first topic, we talked about the level 1, level 2, and primarily level 3 charging stations. So level 3 charging stations is really the one that e-stops pertains to the most, because you're dealing with a higher voltage and you're dealing with a recharging station, level 3, that is a recharging station that has the greatest potential of harm. The second thing that we talked about is we have two generations of firefighters and first responders that are used to, that expect there to be e-stops when you're talking about energy transfer. So this case, you're not putting diesel in your pickup truck or gasoline in your car. You're actually putting energy into your battery electric vehicle. So they're very accustomed to seeing e-stops at these refueling stations. There is absolutely no time like the present to have the e-stop conversation. And when you're talking about e-construction or new construction, it's very timely to consider e-stops as part of your emergency energy control. The third thing that we talked about is NFPA 30A, NFPA 855. Those are two of the energy standards. Unfortunately, the tentative interim agreement from last August failed. Did not receive the 2/3 vote that it needed to pass. We don't need to give up the fight. And when I talk about the fight, is think about what you're going to do as far as things on the local level, through your fire marshal's office, through the state fire marshal's office, and consider e-stops as part of your energy control strategy when you're talking about level 3 recharging stations. And we also talked about there's 5 BEV vehicle manufacturers now that have 800 volt vehicles that are out there. 400 was fairly common say a year ago, but now there's 5 manufacturers that actually have 800 volt vehicles. So all those things to consider when you're thinking about e-stops or your energy control strategy. And it's very important that we consider everything that we can do, the tools that we provide the first responder community to make sure that they're successful. We set them up for a win and not a failure. Want to definitely get out in front of this and help educate people on the importance of e-stops. Just like you have at the petroleum stations, we want to have these also at the level 3 recharging stations.